In this video, you'll learn how to add social links to your Bluehost WordPress site so visitors can quickly find you on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X. We'll keep it simple and walk through each step slowly so you can follow along even if you're new to WordPress. First, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center for your site where you manage pages, posts, design, and more. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You're going to use this menu to get to the tools you need. Next, hover your mouse over the appearance option in that left-hand menu and then click on Editor. This opens the site editor, which is where you can edit global parts of your site's design, like your header and footer. It might take a moment to load, especially the first time you open it, so give it a second if the screen is blank at first. Now that the site editor is open, decide where you want your social links to appear. Most people place social icons in the header at the top of the site or in the footer at the bottom. These are called template parts. In the editor, look for the header and footer options. Click on the one where you'd like your social links to show up. For example, if you want them at the bottom of every page, choose the footer template part. Once your chosen area is open, you're going to insert a new block. At the top left of the editor, or sometimes along the canvas, you'll see a small plus icon. This is the block inserter. Click that plus icon to open the block search. In the search bar that appears, type social icons. You should see a social icons block appear in the results. Click on the social icons block to add it to your header or footer. You'll see an empty area with a plus sign inside it, indicating that it's ready for individual social icons. If it doesn't show up exactly where you want it, you can drag it to rearrange its position within the header or footer until it looks right. Now it's time to add each social platform you use. Inside the social icons block, click the small plus icon. A list of platforms will appear, or you can type in the name of the platform you want, such as Facebook, Instagram, or X. Select the platform, and you'll see an icon for it added to the block. Repeat this process for every social network you want to include. After adding the icons, you need to attach your actual profile links. So visitors are taken to the right pages. Click on one of the icons you just added. A small field will appear where you can paste your profile URL, paste your link, then press enter to confirm. Do this for each icon. Click the icon, paste the correct profile link, and press enter again. When you're done, check that the icons look the way you want and are placed in a sensible spot. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the site editor. Once saved, your social icons and links will appear on your live site in the header or footer you edited.